Welcome to Top 5 Verdict. The best HP monitor power cord is probably one of the most essential yet often overlooked accessories for your setup, ensuring your display receives a stable and reliable power source to bring your visuals to life without interruption. Without the right cord, you risk performance issues, flickering screens, or even complete power loss, making the selection of this seemingly simple component a critical decision for any HP monitor owner seeking optimal performance and longevity from their valuable display. Number 5. Amazon Basics 10-foot replacement power cord. Need a reliable power cord? This universal 10-foot cord is the perfect replacement for your devices. With its 18 AWG rating and NEMA 5-15P to IEC 320C13 connectors, it's designed for broad compatibility. It's the ideal solution for powering your PC, monitor, printer, and many other electronics. The easy-to-use 3-pin connector ensures a secure and straightforward connection every time. You can trust its safety, as it is UL listed, meeting high standards for your peace of mind. What we like. This cord offers a generous 10-foot reach, perfect for situations where your outlet is far from your device. Its standard 3-prong connector ensures broad compatibility. If you need a reliable, no-frills power extension for everyday devices like monitors or PCs, this is a solid choice. What people say. This power cord is a perfect fit for my HP monitor, ensuring a stable connection and reliable power supply. The length of the cord is adequate for most setups, providing flexibility in monitor placement. It's a durable and well-made replacement cord that functions exactly as expected, delivering consistent power to the monitor. Number 4. StarTech.com 10-foot power cord PXT101. Ensure a stable power connection for your essential devices with this durable 10-foot power cord. It's designed for both workstation and home office use, providing a reliable link to your power source. This cable is UL listed, guaranteeing safety and performance. It features fully molded strain relief connectors for enhanced durability and is constructed with 100% copper wire for optimal conductivity. With a NEMA 5-15P connector for North American outlets and an IEC C13 connector, it's compatible with most desktop computers, monitors, printers, and other peripherals. It serves as an excellent replacement for your existing power supply cable. Crafted with a flexible SVT jacket made from PVC, this 18 AWG cable is built to last. It's rated for 125V at 10A and operates within a temperature range of 37 degrees Fahrenheit to 140 degrees Fahrenheit. Designed with IT professionals in mind, this power cord offers peace of mind with lifetime technical assistance. It's a dependable solution for all your power needs. What we like. Built with durability in mind, this cord features fully molded strain relief connectors for long-lasting use. It's designed for IT professionals, meaning it's robust and reliable. If you're looking for a heavy-duty cable that can withstand frequent use or a demanding environment, this is the one to consider. What people say. This is a great replacement cord for my HP monitor. It fits perfectly and works as expected. The cord is long enough to reach my outlet without any issues. Number 3. 6 feet 3-prong AC laptop power cord cable. This is a high-quality, 6-foot, 3-prong AC power cord. It's designed to be a reliable replacement for your lost or damaged charger cable. This versatile cable features a C5 to NEMA 5-15P connector, making it compatible with a vast range of laptops, monitors, and other devices from brands like Dell, HP, Asus, and Apple. Built with durable SVT3C18 AWG wire and UL, RoHS certified, it ensures safe and efficient power delivery. It's designed to withstand daily use. With an extra-long 6-foot reach, you can enjoy more flexibility in where you place your device while it charges. No more struggling with short cords. Manufactured with the highest quality materials and certified by UL, CE, FCC, and RoHS, you can trust its performance and safety. We offer a 30-day refund and a 24-month exchange warranty for your peace of mind. Our customer support is based in WA, USA. What we like. This cord features the distinctive Mickey Mouse C5 connector, ideal for many laptop power bricks and some monitors. Its 6-foot length is convenient for many desk setups. If you have a device that specifically requires a C5 input, this is a great replacement option. What people say. The power cord works perfectly with my HP monitor. It's a direct replacement for the original cord and fits snugly. The length of the cord is adequate for my setup. Number 2. Chanzon UL listed monitor power cord 10 feet. Ensure the safety of your devices with our UL listed power cord. This certification guarantees the highest safety standards, verified by a unique UL number. Experience durability with our heavy-duty 10-foot cord. It features a 10A current rating and real 18-gauge wire, designed for reliable power delivery. This versatile cable is compatible with a wide range of electronic devices. It's perfect for TVs, monitors, gaming consoles, and desktop computers. Easily replace your old or damaged power cord with this 3-prong, 3-slot plug. It's designed to fit most standard IEC C13 power inlets. Connect seamlessly with popular brands like Vizio, Sony, Samsung, LG, and many more. It's the ideal choice for various electronic equipment. This 10-foot AC power cable provides ample length for convenient placement of your electronics. It's rated for 10A and 125V, ensuring stable power. What we like. Boasting a verified UL listing and heavy-duty 10A rating, this cord is built for safety and performance. It's particularly well suited for larger displays like plasma or UHD TVs. If you're replacing a power cord for a big screen TV or a high-power monitor, this offers peace of mind. What people say. The power cord works perfectly with my HP monitor. It's a good replacement for the original cord. The length of the cord is adequate for my setup. Number 1. Chanzon UL listed 3/6-10-foot universal AC power cord. Introducing a UL listed universal AC power cord, designed for a wide range of electronic devices. It provides a safe and dependable connection for your essential equipment. This heavy-duty cord features a 10-amp current rating and real 18-gauge wire, ensuring it can handle demanding power needs. It's UL certified for your peace of mind. Perfect for LG TVs, various laptop brands like Dell and Toshiba, and many other 3-prong electronic devices. Check the list to confirm it's the right fit for your needs. Crafted with premium quality materials, this cord uses SVT3X18 AWG wire for optimal performance. It's a high-quality replacement for your original power cable. This versatile cord serves as an excellent replacement for power adapters on printers, laptops, and monitors. It's designed to seamlessly connect your devices to the power outlet. Featuring a standard NEMA 5-15P to IEC 320C5 connection, this 3-prong grounded cord ensures a secure and stable power supply for your electronics. What we like. Offering flexibility with multiple length options and a specific C5 Mickey Mouse connector, this cord is versatile for various devices, especially laptops. Its UL certification ensures it meets safety standards. If you need a replacement for a laptop adapter or a device with a C5 port and appreciate having length choices, this is a practical pick. What people say. The cord is a perfect fit for my HP monitor, ensuring a stable connection and clear display. It's a durable replacement cord that feels well made and has been functioning without any issues. The length of the cord is adequate for most setups, providing flexibility in monitor placement. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.